Welcome to the best picks. The best Welder Flux Core is probably one of the most versatile and efficient welding methods available, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackling various projects, from simple repairs to complex fabrications. This guide will help you understand its capabilities, applications, and the key factors to consider when choosing the right flux-cored welder for your specific needs, ensuring you make an informed decision based on your skill level, project requirements, and budget. Number 5. Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. It uses 0.030-inch flux core wire and has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control. This lets you easily dial in the perfect weld, making it great for beginners. It has a 140 amp output, allowing you to weld up to 1/4-inch mild steel. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's easy to take to any DIY project. It can handle both 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire, giving you flexibility in your projects. It comes with everything you need to get started: an 8-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot ground clamp, and a 20 amp to 15 amp adapter. Visit Forney's Amazon brand store for recommended accessories and consumables to enhance your welding experience. What we like. It's incredibly easy to learn, making it perfect for beginners. Its lightweight design makes it highly portable for various projects. If you're starting your welding journey or need a simple, affordable machine, this is the one for you. What people say. The adjustments are a very nice touch compared to others with only 2 or 4 options for setting the current. This one can be dialed into the perfect setting, allowing great penetration without blowing through. The welder itself is very light at only 19 pounds before adding a roll of flux core wire. Seems to be of sturdy construction. The separate wire feed and voltage adjustments is the best feature. True 90 amps is all I need for welding 1/4 steel. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder. This multi-process welder gives you the power and versatility you need, all in one machine. It's perfect for various welding tasks, from DIY projects to professional jobs. It automatically matches the current and wire feed speed to the wire diameter and gas type. This makes welding easier for both beginners and experts. It features adaptive crater control, burn-back adjustment, and pre-post flow settings to improve your welding efficiency. Plus, you can store 10 custom settings for different jobs. The large, easy-to-read LED screen provides clear data, even when you're wearing a welding helmet. It's designed for user-friendliness and convenience. It's easy to transport with its handle and shoulder strap, ideal for on-site work. It also includes multiple safety features to protect you while you work. Each welder undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets our high standards. We prioritize your safety and satisfaction. What we like. This multi-process welder is incredibly versatile, handling various welding types. The synergic MIG function simplifies the process, even for beginners. If you need a highly functional and adaptable welder with a user-friendly interface, this is your best bet. What people say. Everything about this unit seemed well designed, and me with no experience except videos was able to set up and use in about 5 minutes after unpacking the box. It is a solid welder that after practicing laying beads on a few pieces of metal, I fixed many things around my home and fixed a few things for friends. The unit itself is light and highly portable and is handy that you can plug into 120V so it can be used anywhere without needing 220V plug. Number 3. AZZUNO MIG Welder 110V. It features a voltage control knob and wire speed adjustment. Even beginners will find it easy to use. Synergic control automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed for different thicknesses. This welder can handle up to 3.0 mm thick mild steel plate. It has overload and overheating protection, ensuring safe operation. It's lightweight and compact, weighing only 8.6 pounds, with a comfortable grip for easy portability. Take it anywhere you need it. It's suitable for various metals and alloys, perfect for home users, DIY projects, and beginners. It's ideal for small projects around the house or workshop. Everything you need is included: the welder, MIG torch, ground clamp, brush and hammer, welding wire, and extra contact tips. You're ready to weld right out of the box. What we like. It boasts a user-friendly design that's perfect for beginners. Safety features provide peace of mind during operation. If you value ease of use, safety, and portability in a compact package, this welder is an excellent choice. What people say. Welds better than a Miller 120 volt. It welded really nice up to 316 so far. I'm sure it will do 1.4. It's no speed demon but makes mobile welding easy. It's light and easy to use. The auto set feature is actually pretty accurate. Meaning it sets the volts and wire feed speed based on the amperage you select. It was pretty dead on for the selected range of amperage. The 3-in-1 functionality, MIG, Flux Core, and MMA, makes it versatile for different welding needs. It's easy to set up, and the controls are straightforward. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Weld-Pak 90 IFC. It's the Lincoln Electric Weld-Pak 90 IFC. This versatile welder works wherever you have a 120V outlet. Take it to the job site or use it in your home workshop. Everything you need is right in the box. It comes complete with a welding gun, nozzle, contact tip, work cable, clamp, and a protective metal case. Weighing only 15 pounds, it's easy to carry. The included shoulder strap makes it even more convenient for mobile welding. With simple controls for wire speed and voltage, it's incredibly user-friendly. The inverter power source provides a smooth, efficient weld. Ideal for DIY projects, home repairs, and more. It's the perfect choice for hobbyists and beginners. What we like. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable. The simple controls make it easy to use, even for beginners. If you're looking for a portable welder ideal for small projects and repairs, this is a great option. What people say. It welds hotter and better than I expected. Perfect for quick jobs or hobbyist at home. This one is wonderfully compact and runs off the 110V power from my house. I do use a thicker gauge extension cord with it, but when I set it up with Lincoln Electric branded Flux Core wire, ordered separately, and set it to the recommended settings for the job I was doing, I found that it was very easy to use. My welds were not pretty because I am not a professional welder, but I did find that I was able to get very good results, and within just a few welds I was getting very nice results. Having an infinitely adjustable dial between 1 to 10 is spectacular for me. Significant savings in size and weight, which meant an inverter welder. The torch, work clamp, and power cable are all high quality. Cold feed switch makes swapping spools effortless and safe. Number 1. GUOZHI 140A MIG Welder. This welder is a versatile tool, offering MIG, arc, and lift TIG welding capabilities. Its unique design ensures a stable arc, less splatter, and high efficiency. It features a user-friendly synergic control system. The voltage and wire feed speed adjust automatically, making it simple for both beginners and experts. It boasts a wide voltage design, handling fluctuations from 90V to 140V. It's also built to handle various wire and rod sizes, and even works in cold temperatures. Multiple safety features, including overheat, overcurrent, and overload protection, ensure safe operation. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for various applications. This welder comes with everything you need to get started. The package includes the welder itself, an electrode holder, earth clamp, and a MIG gun with accessories. What we like. This versatile machine handles multiple welding processes with ease. The synergic control simplifies operation, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. If you need a robust and versatile welder for various applications, this is a strong contender. What people say. Versatile welding modes. The 140A MIG Welder offers 3 welding modes: Flux MIG for no-gas operation, Arc for stick welding, and Lift TIG for precise welding tasks. User-friendly design. The welder features a straightforward interface, with intuitive controls that make it easy to adjust voltage and current settings. Impressive performance on 110V power. Despite operating on standard 110V power, the GUOZHI delivers a powerful 140A output, capable of welding materials up to 1/4 inch thick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.